Hey y'all out there, this is Dave with the Bomb Smokes. It's a beautiful day out here today. It's 78 degrees, 36% humidity, nice and sunny, a little breeze blowing. It's just beautiful. And I got my Evan Williams with me today. We're going to be grilling out some ribeyes on the Weber Smoky Mountain. We've got some zucchini and some yellow squash, some roasted potatoes, and some onions and garlic. So stay tuned, y'all. Okay, y'all, I got all that grilled and I've got me a plate now. There you go. Got steak, onions and garlic, zucchini and yellow squash, and some roasted potatoes. We're going to give this a try. The steak turned out about medium well. Looks very good. And the potatoes. Oh wow. Man, good old zucchini. Yum. And the onions and garlic. That is so good. Well, I'm glad you could join me today, or join us today. For those of you who have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. I do appreciate it. I love y'all. And remember, don't take this day for granted, because when it's gone, folks. Cheers, y'all.